If you use an Apple device, there is no doubt that you're familiar with Siri, Apple's digital assistant. But if you aren't, Siri is one of the first of these voice-driven assistants to really take off in the mainstream, and she's become a certified pop culture icon with her fun personality.
Wow. Awkward.
But beyond those sassy responses, Siri truly is an assistant, and she can help with some useful everyday things. So here are some cool things that you may not know about Siri. Here's a story that I'm pretty sure is familiar to all of us. Let's say you're sitting down for a bite to eat with your friends, or maybe going for a ride in the car, and all of a sudden a song comes in over the radio that you just haven't heard in like forever. What was the name of that song again? And slowly you descend into madness as the song repeats over and over inside your head. Well, why not let Siri take a listen and calm your thoughts? Hey Siri, what song is playing?
Sounds like you're listening to I'm Bad. I'm Nationwide by ZZ Top.
Oh yeah! One of the most common ways people use Siri is to make calls. It's way easier than trying to dig through your contacts or dial individual numbers. But unless you have it connected to a hands-free device like a Bluetooth headset, you're still stuck holding your phone. Well, did you know that Siri can help you make calls totally hands-free? So if you happen to be studying up on your next career as an escape artist and something just doesn't quite go right, hey Siri, call my wife on speakerphone?
Calling my wife on speaker.
Here are a couple tips that are pretty useful for those with an active social circle. First, if you find yourself stuck deciding between two options and just can't know which way to go, why not let Siri be the tiebreaker? Hey Siri, flip a coin.
It's tails this time.
Or maybe it's the end of a great night out with your friends, drinking margaritas and trading stories, and it's time to square things up for the night. Well, did you know that Siri can help you figure out the tip? Hey Siri, what's the tip on $43.11?
An 18% tip is $7.76.
These are just a short few of the things that Siri can help with, and each year that list grows as she understands more words and context. Try it out for yourself, and I think you'll agree, the future of Siri is pretty bright. Hey Siri, what are you doing later?
I'm at work. My shift ends in 640,976 years.
Like the information in this video and need more? Don't forget to subscribe to the Late Genius channel, like us on Facebook, or visit www.lategenius.com to get the latest content.